Okay, team. Here is the thing I want to share with you. Uh, every manager they need to do one thing which is very important. They do have access in a bank. So once you click to the bank, make sure you go for any expense. I'm talking about the expense recording. You need to click to the check, EFT, and credit expenses. So once you click those, remember one thing you need to click here, add new entry, and just like you have a the check and EFT credit expense, so this is the roster number 8. Let me give you the example of roster number 1. So you can see right now here you have this attachment. So once you click to add new entry, this will open. So you have to select the expense. I'm talking about the expense, something like Cintas, the power wash, uh, any other which is not the purchase. I'm talking about the expense. So you need to select the pay over here. After select the pay, select the bank that is operating. Then you have to put the check number here, and here then you have to select what is this expense about. If it is a store supply, repair, or maintenance, anything. If you are not sure, you can call me. Write down the descriptions, amount, and then select the files. Click on the file, and you can upload whatever the file on your desktop. So please make sure one thing, you have to put this over here. Same thing over price book, guy, he can come and he can verify, because this is really very important for us. Just like you can see this example, Cintas. This is the roster number 1. You can see we select the pay Cintas, we select the bank operating, we select the date. There is no check number. Check number need to be there too. This is important. Okay, and then we have to select the file. Or if you do not give the check to the Cintas, so remember one thing, then you will not do the entry into the very important thing. If you make payment through check, you have to select the check EFT expense. If it is a credit expense, then you have to select here. So very important thing, please make sure you guys understand this and upload the invoice properly. This is the one thing. Second thing, please, you guys have to understand, when you enter your purchases, it's only the roster number 1 and 8 right now. They have to go the attachment. They have to attach the file. They have to go select. They should not be here is a credit. This supposed to be check. Okay, even you are not paying, even then it is supposed to be check. Then remember very important thing, they when they click to the purchase, over here they have to put the manual entry, because when the guy who does the retailing for them, the price book guy, he can verify them, what is the actual amount of the invoice and what is uploaded, so that there should not be any mistake. So very important thing again, this supposed to be check and cash. Okay, is not supposed to be credit. So very careful on this part. Rest of the managers except GHRA and tax adjustment, they have to enter all the invoices item level. I'm keep on saying, they must have to enter the invoice into the item level. They're not supposed to enter the invoice or manually, because this will mess up our the price book. So very important thing, please make sure you guys have to follow this procedure. So if you do have any question or concern, let me know. But remember one thing, have to enter the invoice properly, because purchase invoice with must match with our the actual invoice. If we have a difference, that cause problem in our bank. Thank you. Hope you guys understand. This is a good video for your purchase point of view. If you have any question or concern, you can call me, you can ask me, but please follow up this procedure. Thanks a lot.